I'm blessed and I'm chosen, I'm prepped and I'm focused, and God has a plan for me. No weapon shall prosper, I'm more than a conqueror. God's got his hand on me, I know who I am. Yeah, I know who I am.
I think it's weird crochet quiet. I'm doing it because if I put any music over it, it'll just distract everything. I'm Leo, my brand's Yarns, my handle's Yarns DIY 101 if you want to find me. I don't do tutorials or anything like that, I just showcase my pieces. I'm doing TikTok content, sometimes on openings and unboxings. Done them with my earphones, but I haven't spoken about it. It's just a unique video, let's say, on my page. I haven't spoken about it or anything. And all the words on TikTok are my words. I just use text to speak. So most things are like text out, and I just and then change a voice. Sometimes I do speaking content or over voice content, let's say, but it's very rare. I just like doing quick shorts or TikTok reels, really, and Facebook reels. It's all hobby, really. I enjoy doing it. I don't monetize off it or anything. Not a business. Just, a guy who likes to crochet. But been on for a few minutes. I'll probably come back on later, but I've got a few things to do today. So I thought I'd just jump on while I have a bit of free time. If you don't, give me a love in the lives, give me a love in the comments, and tell me who you are, and I'll follow you back. And yeah, I looked at my people who I follow. It's quite low, only because I'm trying to find like people who I relate to and stuff like that. So if you keep engaging, yeah, more you hear from me, more you hit, more you get from me. I don't like spamming other people's channels either. I'll comment and probably favourite your page, but yeah, I'm more better in the inbox and on the live, and yeah, so you know who you're talking to, because people get confused if it's AI they're talking to or they're talking to me, but most of the time it's talking to me. I just use a lot of spell check Only because in the past people used to criticise me on my spelling and stuff. So I prefer to know, like, check my spelling and, yeah, before I post.